Okay.
As loud as you can.
5 over 32 plus 1/4 equals, well, first you gotta make your denominator, you gotta make the 4 equal to 32, so you gotta times that by 8/8, and that equals 8/32, and then plus 5 over 32 equals 13/32, and what we did is 5 plus 8 will equal 13, and then we just drew the 32, and that's our answer.
Hey Kyle, how do you get this times 1?
Well, see, if you times 7 times 1, it'll get you 7/10. But timesing 1/5 by 2 will equal 2/10 to equal,
Okay.
leading you to the answer of 9.
Okay, so I have question 3. 2 nines minus 1, 6. So what goes into 6 and 9 equally? That would be 18. And then how do you go from 6 to an 18 times 3? And then whatever you do at the bottom, you do the top. So 1 times 3 is 3. And then how do you get from a 9 to an 18 times 2? So whatever you do at the bottom, you do the top. 2 times 2 is 4. So that would give you 4 18ths minus 3 18ths. 4 minus 3 is 1, so that would give you 1 18th. And so 1 18th is the answer.
All right, number 9 on your homework is 11/12 minus 3/8. You start out trying to find an equal denominator. Well, something that both of these numbers go into. And 24 would be a good one, because 12, so 11 times 2 would equal 22. 12 times 2, 24. 12, 22 24ths. 3 times 3, 9. 8 times 3, 9 24ths. Minus those, you have 13 24ths. There's your answer, peoples.
Okay, so we have 5, 6, and 2/3. Well, 3 is a multiple of 6, so you times it by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 2 is 4. And then since it's 5, 6 minus 4, 6, you minus 5, 6 minus 4, 6, and you get 1, 6. That's your answer. And that is 5, 6 minus 2/3.
Okay, 3/7 plus 1/3. Okay, so whatever you do at the bottom, you do at the top. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9, and then 7 times 3 is 21. That gives you 9 21st. And then 1/3, you times it by 7, so 1 times 7 equals 7, and then 3 times 7 equals 21. That's 9 27ths plus 7 21st, and it equals 16 21st.
This is problem 6. So, what we did was 5 11ths times, plus 1/2. 5 times 2 would equal 10, and 1 times 11 would equal 11. We did this by times 11 to get to 22, and 11 to get to 22. So, we would be 10 22s plus 11 22. That would give us 21 20 seconds.
Okay. All right, this is problem number 4. So we got 5/32 plus 1/4. So we have to change the denominator. So the least common denominator is 32. So you change the 4 to a 32, and the 32 on 5/32 is already changed to 32. So 4 times 8 is 32. So then 8 times 1 is 8 at the top. Then 32 32 times 1 is 32. So then 5 times 1 is 5. So then 532 plus 832. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 1332 is your answer. The problem is 11 twelfths minus 3 eighths. First of all, we have to figure out what to times 11 by and what to times 12 by. We have to times 11 by 2, and then we have to times 12 by 2.
Whatever you do to the bottom, you do the top.
And then 11 times 2 is 22. Then 12 times 2 is 24. And then now we have to do the bottom problem is what we can do for that is times it by 3. And then 3 times 3 is 9. And then 8 times 3 is 24. Then you have to do 22 24ths minus 9 24ths equals 13 24ths.
2 9s and 1 6. The bottom number isn't equal, so they need to both go into 18. They can both go into 18. So 18 divided by 2 equals 9. So 9 times 2 equals 18. So this would be an 18. And the same, whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 2 times 2 equals 4. So then 6 goes into 18 3 times. So 6 times 3, whatever you do to the bottom, you do to the top. So 1 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18. 1 times 3 is 3. So then you take 4 18ths minus 3 18ths equals 1 18th. So
Yeah, 5 11ths and 1/2. And then we take 11 and times it by 2, which is 22. And then we have 1/2, which is we times 2 first, which is times 11, and then it equals 22. And then we times 1 by 11, which equals 11. And then we take 5 times 2, which equals 10. And then we plus 10 22s, and then we have 11 over 22, and then together it equals 21 over 22.
7 tenths plus 1/5 equals what? 5 times what equals 10? 2. Then you have to do 2 tenths plus 7 tenths equals what's 7 plus 2? That equals 9 tenths. So your answer is 9 tenths.